I've been gone for a long time. Well, I've been gone about 3 weeks because I've been moving. And it got overwhelming trying to move and film and edit. I got a lot of film, but I didn't edit and didn't put it on, showing my moving stuff. But there's a lot to moving at 65 years old, believe me, especially when you have arthritis as bad as I do. And yeah, new hips next. Well, I'm feeling really, really awesome about my move. And okay, I'm 65 years old. I'm Debbie Garcia. If this is your first time being here, I'm Debbie Garcia, the badass baby boomer. I'm 65 years old, and I've lost 230 pounds. I got 2 new knees. I did a year of physical therapy, and I got out of the wheelchair. So I've been starting my life over as far as physically. And then last year, my husband gave me a concussion, confessed his love for the alcoholic neighbor he'd been driving who got a felony DUI, and he became her maintenance man and her driver. And yeah, anyway, I am getting a divorce, and I am very happy about my new life, very excited for the future. I've had a year to heal, a year to figure out what I was going to do and stuff. I am thrilled with my little apartment here and my new life. I am thrilled with my new life. And, usually when I do something like this stressed out over the years, I'd gain a ton of weight. But I got on the scale today, 168, still maintaining in the 160s. I have been working so hard. I thought I'd lose a ton of weight, but I have not been eating super healthy. I've been eating processed foods to just eat quickly. A lot of cans of chili. A lot of cans of chili and chicken noodle soup. Just quick, and it's easy. And moving's been hard, and I do suffer from fibromyalgia and arthritis and the stress, I guess, and all of it. I felt like one swollen up little poisoned pup. Yeah, I just felt, I hurt everywhere. There was one weekend where I took off Friday. I'm like, I'm just going to have to rest on Friday. Then Saturday, I was like, one more day. And then Sunday, one more day. And then Monday, one more day. And then that was it. Okay, I had to get busy and get up and get going again. But yeah, I had to take a break. And I've just had to. It's not that I haven't wanted to film and put it on YouTube and keep everybody updated with everything. It's just, I just physically couldn't handle it anymore. I just mentally and physically could not take doing anything else, not one more job. I mean, I scrubbed this whole apartment, scrubbed everything in it. I mean, I got a lot of donated older things and then things that came from our house and storage and stuff. And I mean, I've had to scrub, and I've still got a lot more scrubbing and cleaning because I want everything's really clean and nice. And I'm loving my new apartment. And not living with my husband of 39 years is the first time I'm going to have my own place where I don't have to live with a cigarette smoker. And I'm loving that. I'm loving so many things. And I don't love not having my own little yard. I'm in an apartment building I have to share, but oh my God, I love my view. I love my view. I love my big windows. I love the sun coming in. Yeah, I'm just really loving. And I'm grateful. I'm grateful I got the apartment. I'm grateful for all the things that were donated to help me out. I just couldn't believe it. My daughter made a secret post on Facebook to her friends. And, geez, I got all this stuff, practically all the stuff behind me donated to me. I mean, some of it's mine, but very little. But even the desk that my little tripod's sitting on right now was donated to me. And I am just so grateful to everybody that helped me, and especially my daughter and son-in-law Wyatt, because they really helped. Yeah, they super helped me pack, carry everything, mentally, physically. My daughter just kept me going, kept encouraging me, And I feel free, and I feel excited for the future. And hopefully I'm going to have less stress. And now I'm going to start going to the gym again. I can get back in water aerobics. I have all kinds of plans. I want to learn Tai Chi. Get back into my chair yoga. Yeah, getting stronger after 60. That's what we're doing. Getting stronger after 60 and building one fantastic life for what years we have left. Because we have a lot more years behind us than we have ahead of us. Us ones in our 60s, 70s. I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you want to follow this adventurous baby boomer who's, I am just going to build a fantastic life. I haven't been having a great life because I've had a bad mindset, and I'm changing my mindset. I'm not going to be, I'm a conqueror, a warrior. I'm not a survivor. I'm a conqueror and a warrior. And, changed my whole life. And it's only getting better every single day. And I am so grateful. So grateful. Love you guys. Follow me. It is shot night. And I am on Manjaro, 15 milligrams. I've been on exactly 2 years now. I saw my endocrinologist yesterday, and he said, when I came in there, I was like 237 at 168. He says, I've lost 60 pounds, he says, in these 2 years. So those 60 pounds added to what I'd lost before brought me up to 230 pounds down. And he goes, that's incredible. And he was just talking about the 60 pounds, And my A1C, the last time I was in there 6 months ago, was 5.3. And yesterday it was 5.2. So it was down another point. And that is a fantastic number for a diabetic. And that's what you fear when you're diabetic, that you're going to lose your legs. I mean, that's terrifying. Anyway, Manjaro. And I am so grateful for the weight loss. I'm grateful for all the health benefits that I have been getting from Manjaro. But it is shot night. We unlock the top. We take out the base. And I'm going to go ahead and put it in my arm so you guys can all see, if you can. I know my lighting's bad in the apartment. I haven't figured out. And it's late at night. I'm filming, 9 o'clock at night, so it's dark out. Okay. Debbie Garcia, the badass baby boomer, down 230 pounds. Feeling amazing. Just a great new life. I mean, I have changed everything, and I'm so excited for my future. And I just want to show you guys, we can all change our lives. We can all make our lives better. I never thought I'd get out of that wheelchair. I never thought I'd lose the weight. And 230, it's taken me 12 years now. But 230 pounds gone. And 2 new knees, no more freaking wheelchair, a whole new life. And I never thought I was going to have it, but I changed my mindset. And every little step I took and every little win I had and the closer I got just motivated me more and more. And that's what keeps you going, is those every time you get on the scale and you're down a little bit, so that's what motivates you to keep going. And we can all do it this time. There's lots of tools. There's lots of tools, and there's lots of things out there. There's lots of groups, and community is huge. Protein, water, movement, and a community.